Palmer ar gig gornal. O mi, oddi ar y llinell ac mae fewn. Y golwr yn dod amdani ac yn methu cael ei ddwylo ar y bel. Cael ei clirio ar y lein. Ac wedyn Adam Davies yn y fan ar lle i orffan. Airbus 1, Hwlffordd dim. Peniad, arbediad gwych gan Gatja yn y gol. Cic Cornal. Ond Cic Cornal oddi ar y bar. A mae Hwlffordd yn clirio. Eiliadol yn lawr hanner cynta. Scotcher ar Cic Cornal i Hwlffordd. Tuag at Cisse. Disgyn i Lewis. Dyna chi ergyd gan Kieran Lewis i gornal uchar rhwyd. Y Cic Cornal, tuag at Cisse, disgyn i Lewis ar ochr y cwrt ac am ergyd gan Kieran Lewis. Ffyrddiad da gan Fawcett. Ydy Cisse mynd i gyrraedd yn dim, mae Cisse yna, a mae Cisse wedi rhwydo i Hwlffordd. Munuda o'r gêm yn weddill, a mae Toure Cisse, wel ydi o wedi rhaid enw Hwlffordd yn y het ar gyfer y rownd nesa. Thomason ar tafliad hir. At Edwards, disgyn i Spender, Spender ar ergyd, ond Gatja yna ar ei postyn agosa.
Overall, I don't think we were at our best today. I still thought we were the better team. Could have won it, should have won it, but if you give silly mistakes away and, you know, they scored first half, injury time, and then at the end they've scored. Basic errors from us, but again, I don't think we were at our best today.
I thought we showed great character to come back in the game. You know, I think we asked more questions during the course of the game, but yeah, to come up here, a very hard team to play against, and we know where they are for a reason, and they're a very good outfit.
The club, I think, should be in the Welsh Prem. I'm, you know, still a bit grieved why, you know, we were sent down with this COVID and this and that. I still think if we finished that league that season, we'd 100% stayed up. So I think the setup here is good enough to be in the Welsh Prem.